That's great, it starts with an earthquake, birds and snakes, an airplane. Lenny Bruce is not afraid. I have hurricane, listen to yourself, churn road, Sony, listen to blah blah blah. Hey, Bobby J, and I'm not wearing pants. I'm wearing shorts. Alright, so today I have a little playlist for you for the play I did. And if you've been following my daily vlogs right here, then you would have known about this play and that it's going on YouTube. If you want to start now, the link is in the description. But I will have a little clickable menu here if you want to just go to a specific scene or song. Today I present to you a collection of Shakespeare scenes. We like to call it a plethora of daggers, or an enthusiastic, energetic Shakespearean charade presented by the Boxo Shakespearean players. So it begins with the processional and the star, sun, and moon dance. Then we go to a scene called The Merry Wives of Windsor. Act 2, Scene 1. Then we go into a little song called Wild Mountain Time. And then there's a scene from Othello, Act 3, Scene 2. Then we go to Hal and Toe, and then the Taming of the Shrew, Act 2, Scene 1. And then another song, Scarborough Fair. And then another scene from Othello, Act 2, Scene 3. Which I'm in, just saying. And then the finale, the Knights of the Round Table. You probably can't see my face right now, so let me fix that. So, click on one of these to watch a scene, or the playlist will start in a couple of seconds. Or click it down there if it doesn't work. Remember, Facebook and Twitter, like me and follow me, down there. And most of all, don't forget to subscribe. Alright, bye.